Semrush is a leading digital marketing toolkit used for SEO, content marketing, and competitor analysis by over 10 million users worldwide. Signing up is straightforward and offers access to powerful tools for improving your online presence. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to semrush.com. Look for the Start Free Trial or Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner or in the center of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the registration page. Enter your email address and create a strong, secure password. You'll need to verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Note, a credit card is not required for the initial free trial sign-up. This gives you risk-free access to explore Semrush's features. Semrush provides a standard 7-day free trial that gives you full access to essential tools. Core tools include keyword research, which helps you discover search terms and analyze competition. Some users may qualify for a pro trial extension, extending access to 14 days with premium features. This includes the Content Marketing Toolkit for generating and optimizing content ideas. Semrush offers various plans to suit different needs and budgets, from basic access to advanced enterprise features. The free plan provides basic access with limitations, including 10 keyword searches per day, limited reports, and no API access. It's ideal for testing the platform's basics. The Pro plan at $119.95 per month is ideal for freelancers and startups. It includes 3,000 results per month, organic research, backlink analysis, and 1,000 credits for various tools. The Guru plan at $229.95 per month adds content marketing tools to the Pro features, including the Content Marketing Toolkit, historical data, and multi-location tracking. The Business plan at $449.95 per month includes unlimited reports and team features with brand monitoring, team collaboration, and advanced integrations. Here's a comparison table highlighting the key differences between the plans, with unlimited features highlighted in orange. After signing up, you'll be prompted to set up your first project. This typically involves entering your domain name or specifying keywords you want to track. You can enter your website's domain name to analyze your site's performance and SEO health. Alternatively, specify keywords you want to track for competitive analysis and ranking opportunities. Semrush then generates a personalized dashboard based on your goals, providing immediate access to relevant tools and insights. For SEO auditing goals, you'll see detailed site health metrics and recommendations to improve your website's performance. For competitor research, you'll get comprehensive data on organic traffic, keywords, and market positioning. This personalized approach makes it easy to start using Semrush tools immediately, without needing extensive setup or technical knowledge. Semrush is increasingly integrating AI into its tools to make digital marketing more efficient. The Semrush AI Writer helps you generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content quickly. Simply input your keywords and topics, and the AI creates articles, blog posts, or landing pages tailored to rank well in search engines. The AI Content Optimizer takes your existing content and analyzes it for SEO improvements. It provides suggestions to enhance readability, keyword usage, and overall search engine visibility, helping you optimize articles and web pages effectively. Both of these powerful AI tools are available during your free trial period, allowing you to test their capabilities without any upfront cost. This gives you a first-hand look at how AI can transform your content marketing strategy. Make sure to explore these AI features during your trial to discover how they can streamline your workflow and improve your SEO results. During your Semrush trial, maximize its value by leveraging available support resources. Start with tutorials and webinars that guide you through the platform's features. Next, use the Site Audit tool to scan your website for SEO issues. This tool identifies problems like broken links, slow loading pages, and missing meta descriptions, helping you fix them to improve your site's performance. Research your competitors using Semrush's competitor analysis tools. Study their traffic patterns, keyword strategies, and backlink profiles to discover opportunities for your own site. By actively exploring these tools during your trial, you'll gain valuable insights that help you make an informed decision about upgrading to a paid Semrush plan.